kids went off with their dad, and I had some time to get some things done around the house and also kind of prepare for Christmas. And I also had an outing. Yeah, I went out. Like, I never go out, and I went out. So that's what you're gonna see in the next footage. I didn't do a whole lot of talking, so I wanted to kind of prepare you for what to expect. But without further ado, let's roll the scenery. Bitch, don't wear no shoes in my house. In today's vlog, we're gonna decorate the Christmas tree and head out on the town with my sister and my brother-in-law for a little bit of festivities while my children are away. If you're interested in that, keep watching. So first things first, we visited a local hookah bar in Greenville, South Carolina called Vibes. Definitely, if you're in the area, it's worth checking out. The atmosphere was great, and also the wings and fries were amazing. The music was good too. They had a good DJ, so that worked out. What is up, YouTube? It is Reagan here, and welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, I am a new labor and delivery nurse, and I like to share videos on things that help me on my unit, also trending products, and things that help me as a single parent, because I am one. If you are interested in any of that, definitely consider commenting, and subscribing. So today is December the 4th. I have my Christmas music going. I have a tree that is bare, and I need to decorate it. Like, usually my tree is decorated definitely by now, but it is not. So we gotta get it done, sis. We gotta get it done. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna throw on some breakfast and get the show on the road. So here's my simple breakfast this morning. Just a little bit of waffles, some bacon, and a boiled egg. So we're gonna have this and start on that.
Christmas lights fill the city. There are people everywhere.
Bella! So first things first, I have to go through these boxes because I have some stuff left over from last year. And we're just gonna figure out what we want on the tree this year. So I want to allow red to be the main theme this year. So I have lots of holly berries. I love these, y'all. I always find that I pick these up. Then I got this set from Big Lots, I believe, for $5.99, and it has a couple of colors in it. But the blues we probably won't use, but the golds I probably can use. Aren't they pretty? So I have those. And then I definitely want to use these, even though they might, like the scale for this size tree, might be too big. I don't know. We'll see. But I have several of those. So let me just pull this stuff out and get organized. I also have some decorative ribbon, like the scarving that you can put in the tree. I don't know if I'm going to do that this year or not. We will see once I get everything up and going. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful though? It's like the gold leaving, little pops of color here and there. I'm definitely going to be using gold, so pull that out. Put that to the side.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes,
And I have Bella's little house decorated with a Christmas hat. I love it. She has not bothered it at all, but it brings a little festivity to her home. It's a little weird, but I like it. Stay tuned for the next video that I will have. I'm sure we'll be doing something interesting. At this point, guys, I really, 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 from the bottom of my heart, appreciate your support. All 398 of you. You guys just don't know how much it means to me to know that you're interested enough to watch my content and interested enough to, you know, tap in to see what we're doing and what you can learn from the channel. So I really appreciate that. Definitely stay tuned for more videos. I will be posting throughout Vlogmas kind of what me and the kids are doing. As I told you earlier, they are with their dad, but we're getting close to time for them to come back. So I'm gonna switch gears here and get ready to receive them back home so they can get ready for school. And that is the reality of single parenthood. When you have time, you make time to do the things that you need to do, to have fun, to spend quality time with the people that you love. And when they come back, you spend quality time with them and give them your attention. So it's really, really important to me to have both. That balance is key. Quality time with your family, and then quality time just with you, getting in touch with who you are, that feisty side of you, and just bringing it out, because we only live once, guys. You only get one go round. And so the best thing to do is to do your best. Keep God first, family next, and keep it moving, because those who love you will let you know that they love you with their presence. I hope that this video serves you well. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you for putting up with my quirkiness, and thank you for watching this far. I really, 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 again, appreciate it. Y'all, be blessed. See you in the next one, which I gotta edit today. So I am like pulling my hair out. So just know that this is not easy. All right, bye.